baby! Time to get what I always wished for! Best present ever? What's this? Are you kidding me? Sorry, he's a human. He doesn't know what he's saying. Does this look like a bike to you? Quiet! This is the lamest gift ever!
There, permodactyls. No need to get hot under the collar.
Who would want to be caught in a nerd catcher like this? Okie dokie. Time to run! Oh, so the bird took off. What's the big deal?
The big deal is you have doomed us all!
Huh?
That cuckoo has wiped out entire suburbs for less than what you just did.
Taken out? How?
I think we're about to find out.
Take cover, campers! The trench isn't ready!
I just had my fur dry cleaned.
McGee, stop! The permodactyl's after you! Anyone close to you is going down!
Sorry, Gretch.
No! Get down! Ha! Looks like I hit that one out of the park.
Gretchen!
Ew!
Well, at least it's not a flying elephant.
It comes from above in a flourish of feathers. The most joyous and gruesome of all get-togethers.
No! Squirt, get out of there! Leave my friends alone, you flea-bitten bag of feathers! Ah! I hate it when Gretchen's right.
Way to go, McGee. It's Poop-mageddon out there, thanks to you.
It's not my fault that bird blew its tail feathers.
Actually, it's totally your fault.
Okay, I wanted the best present ever. It's all I could think about. Is that so wrong?
Yes!
I'm sorry, guys. I put you all in danger and ruined Doo-Doo Day.
You forgot about being a selfish, bossy dumbbat.
Oh, yeah, how could I forget that? I'm gonna fix this. Somehow.
It's too late! The permodactyl's gonna take out the whole camp just to get at you! Run for it!
No! My friends had nothing to do with this. I'm the one you want. Hey, Permy! Come and get me!
Go, go, go!
Oh. Yes! Oh, wait! I'm wearing my wonderful sweater! See?
Run, McGee!
No! No more running. I deserve this! For friends, for camp, for everything. Thanks for the present!
It's a Doo-Doo Day miracle!
Hey, this is the poop-proof sweater I asked for! Awesome! I get Doo-Doo Day now. It isn't about the presents. It's about being grateful. Sorry, guys, for all the trouble I've caused. Thank you, Permodactyl. This is the best gift ever!
It comes from above in a flourish of feathers, the most joyous and gruesome of all get-togethers. It's Doo-Doo Day, it's Doo-Doo Day, it's the Power Family Food Day!
That.
This is the part of the holidays I like.
Yep, and I can't wait for next year. Whoops.
You campers didn't happen to run into a wild chicken last night, did ya? Does a mutant rooster count?
So, one of you may already carry the were-chicken curse.
A were-chicken? That's crazy, even for Camp Lakebottom.
Crazy. Prepare yourselves for a terrifying tale from the old country. Long ago, a farmer in the village of Frozen Cold was attacked by his chickens under an egg moon. That night, the farmer went through the change. He became a half-man, half-chicken monster, doomed to peck the night away as a were-chicken. Enough with the cock-a-doodle-doos! The only way to reverse the curse is a potion made with the creature's own tail feather.
Yikes!
We'll be keeping an eye on you.
We're not taking the blame for that psycho cluckhead. Gear up, Bottomdwellers. We're going on a chicken hunt. Rooster, whatever.
Buttsquat.
Buttsquat.
McGee.
Susie, Gretchen.
Squirt! What's the matter, Buttsnot? Take a wrong turn at Dorksville?
We're postering for Camp Sunny Smiles 3D Monster Movie Night.
Hey, you guys should come. Oh, but it says here no Bottomdwellers. Too bad. Wild horses could drag me to your stupid movie.
We've got horses?
This popcorn is great.
Will you please stop eating the bait? It is good. All right, time to catch ourselves a were-chicken. We'd have more luck if you weren't still loudly chewing popcorn!
Aw, cute!
Not so cute.
Gotcha! Now we wait till it turns into a were-chicken. Rooster, whatever.
This popcorn trail is delicious.
I can't believe you got us lost.
Me? You're the one who wanted to put up all the posters.
Huh. I'm gonna find my own way back to camp. You can stay here and eat dirty popcorn all night.
Wait for me!
What was that?
Probably just your brother and his jammies. I see you, McGee! Monster, chicken, razor claws, proud, powerful beak.
And it took my tiara! How will everyone know you're a princess?
I don't get it. The rooster's still locked up. Hey, gang, what'd I miss?
My tiara!
The popcorn!
Were-chicken!
Huh? But I'm not the...
I knew it was you. I told you we would be watching you. Take him away, boys.
Come on, you guys, this is crazy. I'm not the were-chicken.
Oh, sure. Just taking a midnight tiara stroll, were we?
I woke up hungry, went for popcorn, and found Susie's crown thingy.
Relax, McGee. The moment you turn chicken, I bonk you with my mallet, pluck your tail feather, and pop it in this bottle to finish the antidote. Easy peasy. And if the antidote doesn't work, we make hearty camper McGee noodle soup. Also, easy peasy.
That sounds yummy.
He's changing!
Ooh! Do I have time to get my camera?
Come on, guys, it was just a piece of popcorn.
Oh, it's only a matter of time.
Oh, no. Stay back. I think I'm starting the change. Here it comes.
Ew!
Buttery.
Gotcha. I couldn't resist.
Look! You're not going to fall for another one of your tricks.
No joke this time. Turn around.
Now that's a chicken.
That's no chicken. That's Gretchen. Heads up.
Buddy, what are you doing? Go the other way! I tried to warn me.
Time for plucking.
Squirt, get me out of here! Rosebud, I'll need the antidote.
All it needs is the butt feather.
Thanks. Now to Camp Sunny Smiles.
Ooh! While you're over there, see if they have any waffles.
I got a feeling that Gretchen is after the only other monster more evil and squawky than she is. My sister.
Dun, Dun!
The 3D in this movie is supposed to be totally in your face.
Hello! Start the movie!
Uh-oh, this movie is about to have a giant chicken in it. No spoilers.
It's like it's coming right at us.
Gretchen, I know you're in there. Susie may be a pain in the butt, but she's still my sister, so can you not hurt her?
Boring. Fast forward to the good stuff.
Whoa! Egorama Splatovision!
Whoa, Gretchen, whoa!
Is it me, or does that actor riding the chicken look like my brother?
Yeah, right! Your dorky brother could never ride a monster chicken! Wow! It's almost like you can reach out and touch them!
Hey, pick your own nose. You want some popcorn? It's got special topping. Gretchen, you okay?
You've got to try this popcorn.
The movie was lame, but that 3D was intense.
How come Nerdling or Gretchen gets to be in a movie and I don't?
I'm getting good.
No!
I'd make a way better chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck.
Man, that is one crazy chicken. Rooster, whatever. Squirt, get Buttsquat out of there. That chopper is our only way off the island.
About time! See ya, losers!
You guys take Sawyer. I'll hold off the rat. Hey, look, a peanut! That'll teach you to mess with Camp Lakebottom!
Hey, who chomped my awesome chopper? Oh, right.
I bought us some time. Let's go!
Go where? That chipmunk had my rotors for dinner!
Do something, McGee!
How are we gonna fix those blades?
Like this? Thank you, Sawyer! Always happy to lend a hand. And a leg. Go, go, go!
Bad tipper, bad!
He won't stop till he eats us all!
We're never gonna make it! We need to lose the dead weight!
Just feed the chipmunk. Just feed the chipmunk.
Just feed the chipmunk. Hey, chipmunk. Hey, boy. Want a peanut? I did it! Now get off my helicopter!
Now that's the Gretchen we know and love. Yay, Gretchen!
You know, we'd still be trapped on Screech Island if it wasn't for my awesome new helicopter!
Time time to feed another rodent.
Oh! Enough with the peanuts! Ah! Hey! Ah!